Project management is not just for certain industries or job titles. Most of us are expected to complete assignments that are not a usual part of our job, and to get the job done well within a budget and on time. In this comprehensive course, you will learn the fundamentals of project management, how to initiate, plan, and execute a project that meets objectives and satisfies stakeholders. Providing a step-by-step guide to planning and executing a project, you will discover the approaches and techniques that make project managers successful. In this workshop, you'll focus on identifying tasks and resources, using scheduling techniques like work breakdown structure, Gantt charts, and network diagrams, preparing a budget, executing a project, and controlling changes. This workshop is suited to anyone who is involved in or affected by projects or change management within an organization, including project managers, IT project managers, project coordinators, team leaders, and senior managers who want to get more out of their project teams. The key competencies include flexibility, decisiveness, thoroughness, results orientation, strategic thinking, conceptual thinking, and planning.